Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw an ice cube, a melting ice cube. Let's start kind of around that. We'll just slightly kind of wobbly lines. So it's kind of a boomerang shape, isn't it? And then we want to come around a nice gentle curve and down. And again, nice gentle curve and down. And then that wants to be pretty kind of straight and then kind of curve around there like that. So this is your ice cube, right? And then we want the sort of the melting kind of water dripping around at the bottom like that. Now what we can do is put a little kind of hint of the shape of the cube like that. And then we're also going to want to have a hint of the shape of the cube seen through it as well, aren't you? You can turn around through the back of it. But we don't want this to be joining up at the front here. We don't want that to be a point because you're not going to have points on an ice cube. And we can put little bits of shadow kind of stuff like that. And then we also kind of want a little hint of the water on the other side of the ice cube like that. And then maybe just some little highlights. But all you need to do is kind of colour it in sort of pale blue, kind of watery colours. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.